TT Squad, this is Tia. Today I'm making some string beans. One in trash. Never made them before. And these are fresh. I never made them fresh before. Let me say that. I always made them canned, so I don't know how to cook them. I'm learning today how to make them. But I got a taste for some string beans. My sister did I guess she advertised this sauce that she had when she made some string beans, green seasoning, jumped the ball. I know I can't have a lot because I can't have a lot of, I guess sodium, but I'm gonna make it. You gotta clean them all. Then I'm gonna grill some chicken. I haven't had no grilled chicken. I'm a George Foreman grill today. Haven't did that in a while. I got them over here in my sink. Because she said I got to pluck them off. See, when you get them in a can, they already plucked off. All I do is take a couple of them, pluck them. They got, look, all up on it. I don't know, I'm supposed to take these off. So I'm taking my, I was going to cut them off. But I said, that is so lazy. Just pluck them, throw them to the side, and let it be done. Today is Saturday. I went to the gym, I think, what? 2:30 this morning, I was bored, woke up, went to the gym. I think it's about 8 people in there. And I worked out for about an hour. On the treadmill, I was doing 10 minutes. Did a whole 15 minutes on the treadmill. My goal is to get up to like 30 minutes. After I can get past 30, it's just going to be, hey, no time to go as long as you can. That's my goal. I go see my doctor on Thursday. I don't know what he gonna be talking about. I drink prune juice every day to help me with the bathroom side. And prune juice, I remember when I was pregnant with my son, I was eating a lot of prune juice. I was drinking a lot of prune juice. I didn't think I was gonna like it. Tastes good to me. So with that being said, TT Squad, let me go ahead and finish cutting these all up. When I cut them, I'm peeling them off, and I'll be right back. Hey TT Squad, I'm back. Now, I got it turned on. I'm going to turn on the medium heat. I think you're supposed to have it on, cook it for like, I don't know, I'm saying about 30 minutes. I don't know. I always make the ones in the can. You know, ones in the can don't take but like 10, 15 minutes to get warm. So, when I see them get hard, this is stuff my sister had on her string beans. Oh my God. It was so good. That night, all for dinner, that's all I ate all night. I took a bowl home. I ate on it all night. I'm not even gonna lie. And I said, can I get the, can I get it? Because the people had sent her so many. I think they sent her quite a few. I was like, girl, I love you. Give me one. So, she gave me the one she had left. See, Swirl. I guess I'm going to stir them up around in there and everything. Let them get, I guess, mushed around. I guess turn them around. I don't know. Okay. Turn them around up here. And she didn't put nothing else on her teeth. Oh, trash. She didn't put no more on hers, but what she had in here. So, I'm going to go ahead and do that. Y'all know I'm a paper plate person. So, with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and do that. This is going in the trash. I go to the trash. Then, bam, y'all. George Foreman grill. What I'm about to do. Cook on the George Foreman grill. Oh, I got y'all looking at the window. Okay. Cook on the George Foreman grill. Haven't did that in a while. So I'm going to plug it up. Boom, boom. Put it in. And I bought some spray. Spray it. Spray it down. And I let this sit for a while. I had this sitting there for about 3 hours marinating. See, look at the chicken. My son not here, so I don't have to fry no chicken. But he like grilled chicken, pretty much. Guess that's enough. I don't know. I got it on 3. I'm going to turn it on 4. Let it get to grilling. Let me throw all these in the trash. I know I haven't put up a video in a while, but just been busy. So as soon as I get a chance to put them on the grill, I'll be right back. TT Squad, I'm back. I'm about to put the chicken on the grill. Already washed my hands. Don't really like drumsticks, but my son, he picked them out. He likes drumsticks. I don't know why. He loves drumsticks. So I got the drumsticks because he asked me to get it. He's not even here to enjoy it. Bam. Y'all see him? They over here cooking. Bam. I season it really well. I'm about to put the top on it. TT Squad, and I'll be right back. TT Squad, I'm about to check on the chicken. Oh, that's smooth. Okay, I turned it over once. Turn it over again. Look at this. Smells so delicious. Yes, it do. Woo. Now let's come over here to, look y'all, the string beans. I think I got a little bit too much water in it. I'm thinking about dumping some of it out. I don't know if it's too much water. I told you I never made string beans before with fresh string beans. I made cabbage. I made greens once. I ain't come out too good, but I can make some bomb cabbage. First time making this. Been on about 10 minutes. I know I got to do at least 30 minutes, so I'll be right back, TT Squad. Don't that chicken look good? Yeah. I'm going to meal prep for 2 days. That's what I'm going to do. Make string beans, and then they say you're supposed to have starch, but I really don't. I think I eat more of this than I do anything. I don't eat I don't eat no potatoes, no pasta, none of that. Look pretty decent down y'all. Yeah. And my string beans still over here cooking. I don't know what's going on there. The chicken is finally done, y'all. Might have overcooked it a little bit. When my son comes to say him some for tomorrow, he gonna be like, Mom, put some barbecue sauce on it, because he loves barbecue sauce. Look at this. Look at this. Might have burned it. A little too much. What? Nah, it ain't burnt. Perfect for me. Bam. Cut this off. Oh, no, that's not all. That's still on. What? Okay, now that's all. Unplug it. We're going to clean it out. Then we're going to come over here to the string beans. Y'all look at the string beans. Make the string beans done. Gotta be done. If they're not done, they're gonna be done. So I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna plate it and do all. You know, in fact, I'm gonna plate it right now because I got a plate right here. Look, plate, and show y'all what it's gonna look like because it's gonna be good. Because I love vegetables. I really do. I seen some eggplant because you know I got an eggplant video. I'm trying to figure out what can I make with the eggplants besides what I normally make with the eggplant. I'm thinking about, I made some eggplant, let me see, some little chips like I made before. Bam. Take on my plate. Bam. Like, share, subscribe. What? Like, share, subscribe. It's too early to be eating, so But this is my plate for tonight. Thank y'all.